to new Power Rangers Lion Toy Kits. It is a series planned according to the copyright law. For more information,
Criminal law. It is a serious crime to pirate websites according to copyright law.
For your own safety, it is clear that you broke your TV. You have 5 chances. Oh, you didn't break your TV. Now you have a chance. Now we have 4 chances left. Please break your TV or if you lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us? Come on, all I have 2 chances. Break your TV, please. Oh, you kidding? You didn't listen to us again? You're making us mad. Before you didn't like us, really get mad. 2 more chances. Break your TV. Okay, you're really starting to get on the last nerves. I swear this is your last chance. You don't break your TV in the next 5 seconds and you're not gonna like what happens next. That's it, last footage. Why would you didn't listen? This is the end.